Are you tired of the chaos in your kitchen and endless cleanup? Well, get ready to say goodbye to all that. We're about to unveil the ultimate solution to simplify your meals. Introducing Sheet Pan Dinners. Get ready to revolutionize your dinner routine with 3 extraordinary recipes that will blow your mind. So before we start, there is a small quick note for you guys. In general, ingredients that needs to be prepared and to be put on the baking sheet take little more time, but when you finish and put it back inside the stove, then you can focus on other things like making side dish, salads, etc. When the meal is ready, you can put it on the table all together with the baking sheet. If you make it like this, you will need very little time to clean up after the meal. Okay, that's it for the intro, so let's dive in with our first recipe. First recipe for you guys we have is lemon garlic chicken with mushrooms. This meal is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something quick, easy and healthy. Ingredients that you will need: 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts, around 450 grams, 100 grams of champignon mushrooms, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 4 lemons sliced, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 handful of cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, line a baking sheet with parchment paper, cut in half the chicken breasts, and arrange them on the baking sheet. Drizzle the chicken with 4 spoons of olive oil, sliced mushrooms, garlic, cherry tomatoes, parsley, salt, and at the end, add slices of lemon. Bake for around 40 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. While baking, pour 1.5 deciliter of warm water over the chicken. Serve hot and enjoy. Next recipe that we have for you is sausage and vegetable bake. This meal is perfect for those cold winter nights when you want something warm and comforting. The ingredients you will need are 250 grams of sausages sliced, 400 grams of potatoes cut on quarters, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper sliced, 1 onion sliced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of parsley chopped, and salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Add the sausages, potatoes, bell peppers, and onion to the baking sheet. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil over the ingredients. Add the minced garlic to the baking sheet and spread it evenly. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Toss it until everything is evenly coated. Then cover all together with wet baking paper so the paper will not get burnt, and bake for 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Then remove the paper and bake for approximately 20 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius until the potatoes are cooked. Then transfer the dish to a warm plate and sprinkle it with parsley. And lastly, for our next delicious meal, we have classic teriyaki salmon with broccoli. The teriyaki sauce is easy to make and adds a lot of flavors to the salmon and broccoli. Ingredients you will need are 4 salmon fillets, 450 grams of broccoli florets, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste, sesame seeds, and sliced green onion for garnish. First, as before, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with the parchment paper, arrange the salmon fillets on the baking sheet, add the broccoli florets around the salmon. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, minced garlic, and sesame oil. Drizzle the teriyaki sauce over the salmon and broccoli. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste, and then cover all together with aluminum foil. First, bake it for 15 minutes covered and then remove the baking paper and bake it for another 2 minutes on temperature around 180 degrees Celsius or until the salmon is cooked through and the broccoli is tender. With removing the paper and cooking extra 2 minutes, you will get extra crust. Garnish with sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Serve hot and enjoy. And that's it for today's video. Remember, sheet pan dinners are not only convenient but also customizable, so feel free to get creative and adapt them to suit your taste. We would love to hear about your experience and see your creations, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking and goodbye.